Horses out. Okay. Approved. Gets away immediately. Moving up now to take second is the Surgeon. Is Marias is racing in third. Lucky Lurky, All My Life, and Conquistador. Going along for the first turn, we have Okay. Approved. She's 2 lengths in front of is Mariesa. The Surgeon alongside third. Then 2 lengths so in fourth, Conquistador. Moving up All My Life and Lucky Lurky trails the field by about 7 to 8 lengths up the pace. Okay. Approved. Traveling well okay by about 4 lengths. Is Marias in second. Moving up now in third. All My Life. Conquistador is running by the rail. Then followed by the Surgeon and Lucky Lorky. And that's still okay. Approved by about 4 lengths. Is Marias remains in second. Moving up All My Life. Running by the rail. Conquistador, Lucky Lurky, and the Surgeon. As they come down at the last 150. Okay, approved. Now strides away by about 6 lengths. Is Marias still in second. Moving up now is Lucky Lorky on the outside. Last 100 meters. Okay, approved by about 7 lengths. Moving up to take second is Lucky Lorky. And finally, okay, approved. Lucky Lorky, is Marias, the Surgeon, Conquistador, and All My Life.
3624.